2 strand twist, 4 ways. I'm going to show you how I'm taking this day-old 2 strand twist and creating 4 2 strand twist hairstyles. Keep watching so you can see how that turns out. I'm going to use my Amica oil. I love this oil. It is the Amica Superfruit Style Lightweight Hairstyling Oil. I love this thing so much. It is right here. Before I start, I pump 1, 2 pumps in my hand. I rub it together, and as I take the 2 strand twist out, I pass my fingers down on it. I take from my palm and then put it on my fingers so I can just grease the hair as I go. So that's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, sometimes before I untwist it, I do this. This hair, I washed it yesterday and I just put the leave-in conditioner, and I have this thing called Rescue by Pantene for the ends. I put that in the hair and I just 2 strand twist it. So today I'm taking it out to show you how you can 2 strand twist your hairstyle in 4 ways. There are many other ways, but I'm gonna show you 4. If you have short hair, long hair, and you put it in a 2 strand twist hairstyle, you can do this 2 strand twist hairstyles whether you have long hair or short hair. One of these hairstyles will work for you. This is what the hair is looking like. This is what the 2 strand twist is looking like when I took it out, and as you see, my hands don't have any grease. That's one thing I love with this little oil. It's very lightweight, but your hair looks nice. And I did not separate much after 2 strand twist. It always looks a little crazy. You can do this. You put it up in one and put your scrunchie. I don't put my scrunchie tight. This is a style right here. Style number 1. You can do that if your hair is long, and if you want, you can gel it down. I don't really do gel, so I just like my hair unruly. So this is number 1. Number 2. I will take one of these. I'll go like this. And you can do this one whether you have long hair or short hair. This one works for both length of hair. If you want, you can uncurl the hair more so you can have like a fuller head of hair. But for me, as the days go by, I just change the hairstyle so I don't have to do too much. Hairstyle number 2. Side, the back, I hope you can see. Side. If you want to have it fuller, you can get a comb and just comb it out. And you'll have puffy, and you'll fill in the gaps. This is it. Style number 3. You can pat the hair any direction you want. You can pat it left, you can pat it right. I'm using this because now I want it to show much more. And I'm not combing it out, I'm just lifting it from the roots. This is style number 3. Whether you have short hair or long hair, you can do that. Just pat it, bring it down. You take a clip or a hairpin. I just happen to have this hair bow, so I do that. Take a little bit and put behind your ears on this side, and you're good. Freshly 2-strand twist will look a little bit more curly the first day, but as the days go by, you can change the hairstyle because the hair starts getting loose and it gets puffier and it's nice and it's full. So remember that. Now let's move to style number 4. I'm taking my pick and now I'm actually lifting more hair from the roots halfway through because I want a big puff. So you see, I'm lifting it further away from the roots through my whole head of hair. And if you have short hair, you can also do that style. You see how I've lifted up more from, you see all of that is not curly. So I've lifted it more. If you have one of these, you're going to put it in. I like to put like this first because I want to get everything in place, right? I mean, there are plenty of things you can do, but I'm showing you just 4 easy ones. And my hair still has the keratin treatment. I just wash it and blow. I washed it. I did not blow dry it. And I just 2-strand twist it so I can wear my hair different ways. So I put this. See how curly my hair is? The first day is always very, very curly. And I tend to do this so it can fall on each side. And if you have short hair, you can do that too, don't forget. Right? You see my band? I have and if I want, I just move it a little forward again so it can make the sides a little puffier, and adjust the back so it can be lower. And I have style number 4. Number 4, style number 4. See, now that I comb it out more, I have that. Lots of curly bouncy hair, right? So these are the 4 easy 2-strand twist hairstyles you can do whether you have short hair or long hair. I hope this was helpful to you. Today's I am motivational word is: it is your job to create your world. It is your job to create your world. I thank you dearly. Please remember to hype this video. And until I see you and you see me, remember to create a beautiful world for you. Remember to create a beautiful world for you. Bye.